everyone, welcome back to Dynokids. I hope you are doing great. So today's video would be on how to improve concentration and focus in our kids. And for that, here I'm using two simple sticks. You can use wooden sticks. I'm using the rubber sticks here. And along with these sticks, I'm using a simple wire. I hope that this wire is visible to you. Yeah. So like this, I'm using this wire here, and now along with both of the things you need these sticks. So you can take any stick, and with this, as you could see at the front edge of it, I'm using this loop using a wire. Here I'm using a toy stick which I found in my kids toy bag. You can use any wooden stick or any simple stick otherwise, but make sure that it doesn't hurt the child while using it. So it should not be sharp enough. So now the child has to pass this loop through this wire here, and it should not touch the wire. Yeah, so like this. Here, as you could see, it's really require immense concentration and focus to pass this through. And when we have given this to Amish, we have put the loop bit wider right now, as this activity is in learning phase to him, but he's doing pretty good. So now let's see how he's doing this one. If you find this video useful, then please like, and if you tried this with your child, then please share your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.